Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Once the edges are lightly brown, remove the tray from the oven. If you touch the biscuits in the oven, they would be very soft, so you think they're not cooked. They harden when they are out, so don't remove them from the tray for 5 to 10 minutes, then cool on a wire rack after that. The 2nd of December 2014.
Take our lead.
Most cookies are still soft when done, they harden as they cool, and will continue to bake on the cookie sheet once removed from the oven. Remove cookies from the cookie sheet as soon as they are firm enough to transfer, using a spatula, to a cooling rack or paper towels to finish cooling.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you are able to touch the top of them and they are right between soft and firm, or how you would prefer them, they would be good. If you are able to touch them and they still feel too dough-like, leave them in the oven for another 2 or 3 minutes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.